Hi there, students. Forthright. Forthright means to speak directly without evasion. To speak very clearly, straightforwardly and candidly. So very often people who are forthright can be seen as rude. So forthright can mean honest and direct in your behaviour, or too honest and too direct in your behaviour. So either frank and open and honest, or blunt, or even outspoken. Yeah, so forthright, it can be both positive and negative. It depends how you interpret it. Let's see, forthright is an adjective. I should have said that at the beginning. And I guess you could have an adverb, forthrightly. He acts very forthrightly. Okay, so forthright. He's very forthright in his opinions. He made some very forthright comments and upset one or two people. So if you're forthright, you say exactly what you think, without going around the houses, without beating around the bush, without being evasive. Yeah. You could also have forthrightness. His forthrightness is not always taken well by people in authority. So maybe people have a problem with him in authority. Let's see, you could also use forthright as an adverb on its own. You could say forthrightly, but I want this done forthright, forthwith, yeah, swiftly. It's less usual like that though. I mean, forthright, open, direct, straightforward. Originally this was a straight path. So, because you go forth, right, straight forward. He gave a very forthright appraisal of the situation. He's known for his forthright manner. She was a very forthright young lady. Yeah, honest, straightforward, says exactly what they think. But notice, it can be understood both ways. So what about formality? I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use this in an informal conversation. It sounds a bit literary, but I think you could still use it informally. Probably better in something semi-formal, but I think you could probably use it more or less anywhere. Yeah, so to be forthright. Are you a forthright person? And this goes back to Middle English for prite, or for prit, meaning direct or plain, just going forwards and right in the right way. So yeah, something I guess you could provide a forthright solution, a simple, direct solution. But this word forthright, I would use it almost always to talk about somebody's character. He's a very forthright guy. So there you go, forthright. That's another good word for your vocabularies. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Forthright.